Which jobs will AI take in the next 5 years? Artificial intelligence is advancing rapidly, and in the next 5 years, millions of jobs will be automated. If your work involves repetitive tasks, AI might take over sooner than you think. Let's look at the jobs most at risk. 1. Customer support and telemarketing companies are already using AI chatbots and voice assistants to handle calls and messages. Soon, AI will be able to manage customer interactions so efficiently that human agents will no longer be needed for most support roles. Second, factory and warehouse workers' robots can now sort packages, assemble products, and manage inventory without human intervention. Companies like Amazon and Tesla are heavily investing in automation, and in the coming years, warehouses and assembly lines will rely almost entirely on AI powered machines. 3. Cashiers and retail workers. Self checkout machines and AI driven cashierless stores are replacing human workers. Large retail chains are adopting this technology to cut costs and improve efficiency, reducing the demand for cashiers and retail assistants. Fourth, basic content writing and journalism AI powered tools can generate news articles, product descriptions, and even scripts. While creative storytelling and in depth analysis still require human input, many entry level writing jobs, such as summarizing articles and generating reports, are being automated. 5. Accounting and bookkeeping AI driven financial software can manage taxes, track expenses, and detect fraud with incredible accuracy. Many businesses are switching to AI instead of hiring accountants for routine financial tasks, reducing the demand for entry level accounting jobs. 6. Driving and delivery jobs. Self driving technology is improving fast. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are developing autonomous vehicles that could replace human drivers in taxis, trucking, and delivery services. AI powered cars and drones are becoming more reliable, making it likely that many driving jobs will disappear within the next 5 years. How to stay ahead. AI is replacing repetitive jobs, but it can't replace human creativity, problem solving, and emotional intelligence. To stay ahead, focus on skills that AI struggles to replicate, such as critical thinking, AI and data science, cybersecurity, and creative fields like design and marketing. The future belongs to those who adapt and learn new skills. What's next? AI is taking jobs, but will it also create new ones? Or are we heading toward a future with fewer human workers? Let me know in the comments if you'd like a video on the best AI-proof jobs of the future. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on how AI is shaping our world.